morning, good morning, good morning. It is an absolutely beautiful morning out this morning. I didn't know it was gonna be like this, or we would have went like to a lake or something. But instead, we've got about a dozen and a half minutes. We're gonna head out to our pond and see if we can catch anything. Maybe get into a big crappie, I don't know. They're in there. We really don't fish it a whole lot. I mean, we fish it, but we're just still trying to build it up. Hopefully, we've never really fished with one time we've had minnows out here for like 10 minutes, but it was just right at dark and we didn't stay very long. But it's early. It's almost 7 now. Actually should have been out here about 30 minutes ago, but there's no wind. We're gonna fish. We got some structure right here in the water that we put in, that me and the boys built out of PVC pipe and stuff. We got 5 of them scattered out there about 25-30 foot off the bank, sitting at about 10 to 11 foot of water, and that's where we usually catch them with jigs. We're throwing around. If you can get your jig to go through one of those deals, you usually catch one, crappie anyway. So, oh, look at that, there's a quail. I don't know if I'll be able to see. Hope you guys can see that. Look at him. I hope you guys see that. I don't know. Uh-oh. I got my phone plugged in. I got cords going everywhere. Anyway, we're headed out here, do some minnow fishing, and see if we can catch some crappie. See you when we get there. Well, here we are. Look at this water. It's just calm as can be. Fish are jumping. Yeah, we got those structures set out there right in that area. There's 5 of them in a line right there. There is a gar. There's a gar in our pond. I just seen him come up. Anyway, we got some minnows, putting some bobbers on, gonna toss them out there, probably about 3 foot deep. Try it somewhere around there. And we get this thing going, we'll bring you guys back. See you in a bit. All right, bobbers are out. Well, Austin's is coming in. I got one out there. It's a big fat bullhead. Watch out, that thing will get you. Oh, I see it. She's...
Well, now I can't find that string. That's one gone. Cows. That's as deep as it is right there. Cow legging. Not too much.
Look at that, got a bullhead on a jig. I've never done that before. I caught catfish on a jig, I've never caught a bullhead. I think this is going to turn into a bullhead catching video. Oh, there goes my other line. Oh, what the heck was that? Oh man. I still got him. Oh, it's a fighter.
Cows are behind us right now.
Oh, it's a big crappie. Get the picture. This is a good one. Inhaled that jig. Oh. Get back here.
Oh, he's got a big old scratch on him.
Oh my gosh. Barely had him hooked. That's a 2-pound fish. I wonder if a gar or something hit him on the side.
The sun's kind of ruining it. There we go.
That's a solid fish right there. Look at that mouth. That thing's huge. Man, knocked the crap out of it too. Oh. There you go. There you go. I wonder why they wasn't hitting them minnows. Maybe they just want something moving faster.
Oh crap, now where is it?
Well folks, we was out here for what, about an hour and a half, and we caught a couple bullheads and I caught one good crappie. They just wasn't biting. I'm surprised with it. I mean, I caught that crappie right where we was throwing the minnows, but I guess they just wanted something moving. I ended up catching it on a little white curly tail grub. But anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Not much, it's gonna be real short, but or I'm sorry it was real short. We just wanted to come out here and see what we could catch, if we could catch anything with minnows. We haven't really fished out here with minnows. I think we picked a bad day to do it. I wish we'd have brought the boat out, but anyway, hit that subscribe button, hit the likes, hit all the buttons. God bless.